One of them is an overnight mask. I've never in my life used an overnight mask. I have Caribbean parents, and Caribbean parents believe that you should never sleep with your hair wet because you get a really bad head cold. Hey! What's up world? I'm back with yet another video here on my channel. It is currently 8:16 right now, so I just got off from work, hence the reason why I have on makeup on my face still. I'm looking greasy as heck. So I have yet another product review for you guys, and as you guys can tell by the title, thumbnail, and everything else, I picked up the Main Choice Prickly Peach. No, oh, let's try this again. The Main Choice Prickly Pear Paradise Collection. Actually, I only got two things from the collection because, to be quite honest, this is a PPP, which is a pretty pricey price point. The overnight mask was $16.99, and then the cleansing mousse was $14.99. So I'm curious to see how this is gonna work with my hair overnight. I'm very iffy about trying this because I believe if I do wet my hair at night now, I'm gonna get sick. But let's read the directions. They said apply directly to dry, unclean hair. Oh wait, unclean? What? Cover with a plastic cap and leave in up to 12 hours. Rinse thoroughly and apply No-Poo Prickly Pear Conditioning Cleansing Foam. Rinse and style as usual. After you use this Main Choice overnight mask in your hair for 12 hours, then you use the No-Poo Conditioning Cleanse Foam. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really excited to try both these products because a lot of times when I'm trying new lines, I don't tend to pick up their conditioner nor their shampoo because I literally feel like they do the same thing every product or every line claims to do something different, but I feel like it kind of does the same thing. Okay, so I always skip those two because one, they $12 and I'm not paying $12 for any shampoo or anything like that, and two, I feel like if I just skip to the deep conditioner, it will give me the better effects than just getting a conditioner. So when I saw this, I was like, okay. Wet hair thoroughly. Okay, so I guess after you rinse this out, you apply this to wet hair. Wet hair thoroughly with warm water. Squeeze a small amount into palm of hand and apply to scalp and hair. Wait for at least 60 seconds, then rinse out. For best results, follow with the Prickly Pear Paradise Leave-In Conditioning Cream. I didn't get that, so I guess I didn't get any best results. So right now my hair is in an old rod set, so I'm just gonna take it out. And I don't know how I feel about applying a conditioner, an overnight conditioner, to dirty hair because I have a lot of gel and product build up in my hair, so I don't know. Alright, so this is what the inside looks like. Can you see that? It's a slightly gooey, oh actually it's really thick. There you go. You thick girl, you big. Alright, so I'm just gonna section my hair and start applying it because I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Hopefully it can help me detangle because these curls are not coming off my hair. Like, it's just not. It ain't. I'm gonna start applying it to my hair. I'm like gonna have to pick up chunks of this because I need to detangle. This is so weird. But it has a lot of slip, which is really good. It smells so fruity and bubbly and full of joy. So as you guys can see, it's allowing me to separate my curls while applying to my hair. I'm just going to separate because I tend, see that? No product in there. So you guys definitely have to separate it when applying this product because it's just so thick. It is so weird to do my hair at 8:30 at night. I don't know. I just still can't get over it. Can you guys see that? It's like melting into my hair. So just to give you guys a heads up when applying this product, like I said, you definitely have to separate your hair because you'll be coating the outside but not really the inside. So you see inside here is absolutely dry with no product. The product is very thick, so it barely is blending into your hair, so you have to go stroke by stroke and keep on applying, but there's a lot of slip as well while applying it. So far this is how much I use in there. Could you guys see that properly? I don't know. But this is how much I use so far. So not too much, but not too little. I'm not using this every day at all. It's way too much money to be using this every day. I could probably get 4 to 5 uses out of it, but I don't know. My hair definitely feels soft to the touch now that this is in there. Alright, so hopefully my whole head is coated. I do not know. So they said to tie this up and leave overnight. I ain't gonna use no cap on my hair because it'll probably fall off. I think my best bet is a Publix bag. So that's what I'm gonna be using to keep my hair overnight. Okay everybody, welcome back. It is the following morning. It is currently 11:34. I just got back from the gym. You see these guns right there? But I took it off and my hair was really hot. I tried pinning it up this morning and girl, let me show you guys my curls. My curls are popping. Can you guys see that? Let me raise you up a little. Alright, so look at my curls. The definition is really off. Look at that. My hair is so soft. It is ridiculously soft. Like, look at these curls. I'm surprised at how defined my hair looks. There's so much definition. It looks soft. It looks like a nice moisturized wash and go. Don't mind the roots. The roots is just a mess. Okay, so I'm back straight out of the shower and my hair is pretty soft. It smells so good. It smells just like the product itself. If you guys don't like the product, I suggest the scent of the product, don't get it because the scent will linger. My hair is looking still super defined, but we have to keep in mind that my hair isn't fully clean yet. So we're gonna be using the Prickly Pear Paradise No-Poo Conditioning Foam Cleanse. So let me read the direction one more time because it's a new day. You never know, you could get things wrong. This is so different. I don't think I like it. It feels like a regular mousse, but it's just not dissolving into the hair like a regular mousse. I want to make sure I put a lot on my hair because I wanted to really clean my hair. Never used a foaming cleanser before, so I want to make sure I properly coat the hair so my hair gets clean. You guys know low porosity hair tends to keep a lot of product build up, so far I'm just hearing it crickling. Do you guys hear that? It's like pop rocks. Hearing it? So I put the most product on my hair. I'm gonna just sew this in and I'm about to rinse and come right on back. Okay guys, so I'm back and soaking wet. Jeez. Alright, my hair, I think my hair really likes this stuff. Look at that. My hair is still extremely soft. I didn't feel like the shampoo stripped my hair at all. Well, the mousse, sorry, stripped my hair at all. It was easy to comb through while rinsing out the product. It didn't stay in my hair for too long, so I don't know if you leave it long if it'll make a difference, but I definitely do like how it did cleanse my hair. It smells clean. It looks clean. It don't look like it has too much product buildup or any product buildup at all, matter of fact, because my roots to the front is where all the buildup tends to happen. And it cleansed my hair pretty well. Look at this curl. Oh, it's so cute. But all in all, main choice, you did it with this line. I think this is by far my new favorite line from the main choice. Like, I really wasn't expecting to like this that much. Like, this is how much I use. Can you see that? What the hell, my camera picked up? There you go. This is how much I use for one cleanse, so it could definitely last you a long time. If you guys have the money and want to try out something new from the main choice, I definitely do recommend this line compared to all other lines, because to me all other lines kind of have this similar effect on my hair, but this definitely it was different. Like I said, I don't really pick up shampoos from lines anymore, conditioners from lines anymore. I skip straight to the deep conditioner or straight to the styling products because I feel like everything is pretty much the same. But when this came out with a foaming No-Poo mousse, to me that was different, and I like different, and I like trying new things. I do give these two products a thumbs up because this line is bomb.com. I haven't tried anything else yet from the line. I think I might go back and get the leave-in conditioner, and I think they have something else, but I just don't know what it is. But anyway, I'm gonna probably go back and try those other pieces from the line and see how it works. So if you guys did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Road to 100,000 subscribers this year. I don't know how I'm gonna make it, but please help me make it. If you guys have any questions, leave it down below. If you guys have tried this product and you tried other products from the line itself, let me know how it worked for you guys, and I will definitely consider trying it. If you guys say yay, if you guys say nay, then I ain't gonna waste my coins. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my other video. Peace.